Now question number 4. In question number 4, the question is, which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? That means how many terms are there in the AP? That is what the question asks. So according to the AP, we have here the first term A equal to 3. Common difference 8 minus 3 equal to 5. The n term is equal to 78. Now we are asked to find the number of terms. So according to the question we have here is the n term, an is equal to 78. And by putting the formulas of the n term, we have a plus n minus 1d equal to now 78. Okay, now by replacing their values, a equal to 3, we are going to find out n minus 1, common is 5, which is equal to 78. Transferring 3 to the right hand side, we have here 78 minus 3. Now, n minus 1 equal to, by subtracting these two numbers, we get 75 here, and transferring 5, so divided by 5. Now, by dividing these two, we got here 15. At the same time, this minus 1 is transferred to the right hand side, then we get the number of terms is 16. That means the 16th term of the given AP is 78. Okay, that's all for question number 4. Now question number 5. The question is, find the number of terms in each of the following AP. So we are going to find out how many terms are there in the AP. 7, 13, 19 till up to 205. So according to the AP, we have the first term A equal to 7. Common difference 13 minus 7 equals 6, and the n term is given 205. Now by using the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1d, we have the n term is 205, the first term is 7, common difference is 6. Now by transferring 7 on the left hand side, we have 205 minus 7 equal to 198, which is equal to n minus 1, 6. Now n minus 1, transferring 6 to the other side, we are dividing 198 by 6, then we got here 33. Now again transferring this minus 1 to the right hand side, we have 33 plus 1. That means the required number of terms is 34. Okay, again question number 6. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP or not. Okay, now in this question, the given AP is 11, 8, 5, 2, and so on. So, from this AP, we have the first term A equal to 11. Common difference is 8 minus 11, which is equal to minus 3. And the n term is equal to minus 150. So, according to the formula, we have an equal to a plus n minus 1d. By replacing their values, an we have minus 150, a equal to 11, n minus 1, and the value of d is minus 3. Now let's see by solving. So minus 150, transferring 11 to the left hand side, we have minus 11 and minus 1 minus 3. Now by solving this, we have minus 161 equal minus 3 and plus 3. Multiplying minus 3 to both the numbers here, then we have here again plus 3 transfer on the left side, minus 161 minus 3 equal to minus 3n. That means by solving this, we have 164 equal to 3n. Now transferring 3 again to the other side, so 164 divided by 3. Now what we get, n now number of term cannot be a fraction or negative. It should be a positive integer. So minus 150 is not a term of the AP. Okay, now coming to the next question again. Question number 7. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. Now, for this question, let us take the first term as A and D as the common difference. Now, according to this question, we have the 11th term is 38 according to this. 11th term is 38. So, A11 equal to 38. Formula for finding A11 is A plus 10D, which is equal to 38. And the second condition is the 16th term is 73. So A16, 16th term is equal to 73. By using the formula A16 equal to 73, formula for finding A16 is A plus 15D, which is equal to 73. Now let us subtract these two equations, equation 1 and 2. So by subtracting this, let's see what we got. That means equation 2, a plus 10d equal to 38. Equation 2, a plus 15d equal to 73. Now by subtracting this, what we get? Let's see. 38 minus 73 becomes minus 35. 10d minus 15d equal minus 5d. Cancelling this minus sign on both sides and transferring 5 to the right hand side, we get d equal to 35 divided by 7. So d becomes 7. Substituting the value of d in equal to 7 in equation 1, what we get? A plus 10 into d. d is equal to 7. So 10 into 7 equal to 38. So the first term is equal to 38. Now transferring 7, 10, 70 to the right hand side, we get a equal to minus 32. After knowing the value of the first term and the common difference, we can find out the value of any term. According to the question, we are asked to find the 31st term. So the 31st term is equal to a plus 30d. By replacing the values, a equal to minus 32 plus 30 times of the common difference. Common difference is 7, which is equal to minus 32 plus 210. By solving this, we get minus 178. Okay, this is what we